Oh, it's gonna be too rough. Gonna be in trouble. Here. Hey. Okay. Too rough.
Whoa.
No frenzies.
Alright. You're fine. You're fine. Sorry.
Nope, it's okay. I'm just curious as to his behavior. He's quite seems sensitive now of trying not to hurt him. Archie, come on. You want a treat? Who wants a treat? Oh, he's right there. Who wants a treat? You better sit down. You better sit down for treats. Sit. Good boy. Isn't that good? Good boy. There. That's nice. He's not interested in tromping on him to get it. Archie, can you sit again? Archie, sit.
Oh, good boy, Archie.
He's a good boy. Can be a very good boy. 99. It's kind of like that money talks thing. You sit too, Buck? Sit.
Oh, what a good boy.
Good boy. Good boy. You don't take his. Good boy. Very good. Very nice.
He gets the hiccups a lot.
Does he?
You shake paw? Who can shake paw? Who can shake paw? Oh, Archie can. Archie can.
I've been working on that one with Buck.
Buck, as long as you sit, you're good. Okay, that's enough.
It is funny how he's got that tan in between the pads.
Almost looks like
now, what dogs? Rotties have that, don't they?
Sometimes, yeah. Shepherds do sometimes too. Like
Yeah,
the Shilohs.
Oh, you're not growling. My hand's near the food. You're
No,
not growling.
no.
You're good. Yes, you're good.
Usually he'd be on the counter.